Unfortunately yesterday my neighbour Steve had a little mishap. Here he comes, pulling up outside his house, and he's waiting for his wife to come out, which actually takes quite some time. I've cut a little bit out of here from when he pulls up to when she actually appears, because for some reason she takes an awful long while. Here she comes. So he spots her coming, he gets out, and they both go to her car, which is just a bit further down in the bay. So she goes to the driver's door, he walks around the front of hers and goes to the back of hers. But his is already on the move. Away it goes. He suddenly spots it and runs after it. Let's take a look from another angle. Right, so he's pulled up, he's waiting for her, here she comes, so out he gets. I don't know quite what he's carrying, but he's obviously taking it to her car. So he goes round the back of her car, and his is already on the move. Must be an awful feeling that second you realise your car's on its way, on its own. He races after it, it's up the curb, hits one car, hits two cars, hits three cars. He hurts his leg trying to catch it. Unfortunately the trees there just shroud where it goes. It misses virtually everything and ends up in a ditch in front of the flats at the back there. How no one was hurt and nothing was damaged, I do not know. Absolute miracle. And eventually his wife, who's probably been sitting there with her head in her hands, gets out to go and see what's happened, along with another bystander. It really is amazing that there was very little damage. A few scratches on the cars, one number plate was removed. Other than that, there was nothing. Even the building that it lain up against was undamaged. So this is what they saw when they got down there. How the hell did he manage that? But a good recovery driver managed to get that out of there without so much as a scratch on the paintwork or damaging another plant.